Hello, everyone. This is Dr. Hui Liu from San Jose, California, United States. My email is ibridgepi@gmail.com. If you have any questions about iBridgePi or about live trading with interactive brokers, you can send me an email. And in this video, I'm going to talk about trading with interactive brokers using Python. Actually, we will talk about debug, which is initialize does not in runme.py when you are using iBridgePi. In this video, first I will reproduce the issue of initialize does not in runme.py. Then I will explain the root cause. At last, I will give you the solution to solve this issue. Let's switch to the demo part. Let's open runme.py from iBridgePi and in Spider. So runme.py is on, and let's switch file name to example show positions, and let's run it. Oh, actually, gateway is connected. So right now, let's run the file. When you see this one, there's no problem, and iBridgePi successfully run the program. However, if we open example show examples and we comment out initialize function like this, and then let's restart kernel. Make sure it's a clean kernel and save this one, switch to runme.py and run the file again. This time you will see an error message said exit initialize does not in runme.py. The root cause of this error is because the function of initialize is a required function in iBridgePi. So when you are working on your project, make sure initialize function is in the strategy file. If you really have nothing to put in the function of initialize, you can simply put PASS, which just means do nothing, but this function must exist. When you put initialize function with pass, and then you switch to runme.py again, this problem is solved. You can see that. Thank you very much. More videos are coming. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel of iBridgePi. iBridgePi is an easy-to-use Python platform to backtest and live trade. Thank you.